But me I go try for pleasure me man and me I go try for please me man. But me not go come up north every day. How me for up north every day?
We're there on the street, rap and chat, Naz and Chexdan. Listen.
Aye. More time me get them out the road and put it just a clap so. Hi. They ready.
Because I know the big penis thing do thing. I wear the penis eat.
Okay. You know the little ball there? You ever know that?
Boy.
And you catch a little ball there, so you just play with it so.
What kind of ball?
The gritty ball.
Which gritty ball?
That's what we call it. You never mind that dog. You catch it.
This a gritty ball. You can't be the door.
You husband never catch a gritty ball. You can't just play with it so. That's a jukey.
Just a
You talk like say Christian on your position.
Jesus, hello.
Brother,
Babe, this is a disclaimer, baby.
No, you're not going to tilt over because camera on the fire.
Oh, babe.
Yeah.
I love it.
listen up. When
And they split personality today, yesterday. I
when
don't tell you.
Pastor go
Camera on
over
the
night
fire.
time, you see?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, man, you're fully that
When
camera.
Pastor go over night time, my wife is saying,
Hey,
Ray,
Yes,
you think
Pastor.
Pastor say, oh,
let me pray. Let me bless it.
brother, I'm not say go.
Say, Pastor, jump in it.
Why you think the pastor bless it? Dear God, I'm about to jump in this front tonight.
If I eat it, we're too.
Oh, Jesus. Yes, you know.
Yeah.
No bother with
Great
it, you
introduction,
know.
because I see where we are starting.
Lord have mercy.
Isn't it?
Well, I know. Let me start feel like me I cry.
Ready?
So if we go, yeah, man, introduce, because a piece of gone in it, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, gosh.
Yo, people. Welcome back to another episode of Rap and Chat with Chexdan.
And Naz.
And guys, we have a special guest, Lady Natalie.
Yes,
What about
everybody.
Natalie?
Me there, man. Me good.
Natalie.
Yes, sir.
How we think this, isn't
Yeah,
it?
man.
Yeah,
I
man.
know.
Yeah, man.
Don't know a thing go.
Mm.
So,
Hold on, man, before we move, man. How you running so?
some relax. I know what I want.
Yeah, but you know we have to tell the people them thanks for them support, see we.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man.
You don't know.
Yeah. So we just want to big up everybody. Thank you for the support. Keep liking, subscribe. Please.
Yeah.
Give the video a thumbs
The
up.
subscription will go up like we almost reached 1,500 people.
Natalie, welcome.
Thank you. Thank
Rap
you.
and chat.
Yeah, man.
You know, we not really hold back with tongue when we're on the podcast.
Yeah, man.
You know what I'm saying? So just be yourself, be free.
Hui, okay.
All right.
Yeah,
So what we are talking about today?
since we have a lady in the house,
Hey.
I would love to find out.
Mm-hmm.
Me always hear women and say, yo, sometimes it's sex too long, sometimes it's sex too short. More I hear from a lady's perspective. How long you think intercourse should last? In the
Nah, man,
bedroom?
no use intercourse.
You can't use intercourse too
No,
nice.
it's too nice. Oh, you're nice
Alright.
everything, so
All right.
That's a
You hear that? How long you think sex should last between partners
in the bedroom.
in the bedroom?
Not a bedroom?
Yeah.
Well, if the thing good, there's no limit or time on it, If it good, it good. Let me tell you, you enjoy yourself, me I enjoy myself, I saw it for go. So there's no limit.
For
Hey,
what?
when you put limit on things is when you don't enjoy it and it not reach up to par. You have to free yourself and become one. Especially, with your wife and your husband, you have to do your thing.
So you can go for your hour and a half?
More than that, man.
So Naz, let me ask you
More
this
than
now.
that, man. More than that.
So Naz, you put a time frame on it.
Yo, sometime, brother, put a little 10 minutes.
No, sir. No, sir.
Yo,
So your
sometime,
your sex schedule.
Not really. No, it no schedule.
Not really?
Yo, brother, we're not do this together.
Yo, it's on schedule to
Yeah,
do.
me. But me not judge, Me and my business.
No, let me tell you something.
Wine.
Let me tell you something. You see, sometime you are going there, I say, yo, me I go beat up this and two is soft and moist and nice. You just go in there and in no time.
Your flow code.
In no time, you say, I want. You see me?
2 minutes, and you drop off
No,
right
I
there.
don't joke.
Or less.
That's why we have to incorporate foreplay. You can't just dive in at the thing. When you go see,
So,
you
hold on.
just rush and go on the cliff and jump off. No.
No, man,
Really?
I saw me deal
First,
with
you
it.
look on the wave or the wave are going, then you walk down, you make your foot touch the water and you feel the temperature, and then from there, you don't just chuck off. You can't
So when you
chuck
say
off,
the
brother.
the foreplay.
Foreplay, man, is important.
So like what? Like why not the
the
foreplay?
kissing, all of them stuff there.
So you know suck off breast and then
and
sitting
then,
there and
yeah,
play with the
our
clit and then
one.
sitting there.
So you just
Yeah.
run, boom, boom, bam.
No.
You just-
Why not look for me and
No, I
You come like your boss just wheel out here and show you and say, yo, bap, 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 bap.
work, you come for work.
No. It's not only about you with sex. And that's where
True,
a lot
man.
of men fail. Because let me tell you something.
True.
You just act like you are on a race. And then you get your pleasure. And then the person
True.
will get pleased.
Back in the idea, me not gonna say if you ever meet a woman. Back in the idea, you never meet a woman and she say, yo, me not get Eddie now. And then two of you deal with her. You're frightened. You feel
Japanese.
You feel she dey on her knees like Japanese.
Stop
Wally,
praying.
Like, watch out now. You have woman out there now.
Listen.
Back in the idea, me meet woman already. We say, yo, and then live with them man.
Zip.
Say, yo, me not give my man head.
So them a cheat with you.
And
So
by the
them a
time me
cheat with
done
you.
suck off breast and suck off nipple and play the pan knees like Japanese.
Whoa.
I tell you.
Yo,
Mighty
hear me
gosh.
I say. So
Gosh.
right now,
You see, you have some man, them not take it time
Yeah.
feel like make a woman feel special. You
And
me I
get to know
say?
them body
yeah,
too,
real thing,
brother.
that.
Women-
Real thing, real talk.
Dog, let me tell you
Real
this.
talk.
You see, as a man, enough man feel say women love man where eat and them thing there. A man now if you do them thing there for a woman feel good. You kiss a woman on her neck.
Look, you can look over this too. And tell
No,
me.
me I tell you,
Look
God.
at that school,
Me I tell you. Some man, you must see him say no.
Why
I
the
don't
man
know.
look for me?
Watch out.
Like him a teach me.
Sometimes, bro. Sometimes, bro.
Bro, why you look like, bro? You're not teach me, bro.
Listen, me I
So
say no.
please don't make it look like you teach me.
Listen,
Hey,
I'm
you're
here.
never too old to learn something, do you know?
True.
You're never too
Listen,
learn.
bro.
True,
You're
but me
never
don't want
too
to
old.
look like yo.
Watch out now.
The
Listen now.
inexperience.
Me always hear man say, yo, them I never kiss a woman all yeah, so. A man can kiss a woman on her grind side, that's
What
no
do you
son
mean?
of dog.
You never kiss a woman on her body.
On her body. Me we kiss her so.
You never kiss a body,
Me
John.
never kiss the body jar. Me don't know shit water splash up on the body jar, dog.
Yo, you know, loud
We
is kissing.
listen, but
I
we
don't
don't
judge.
judge. Okay, then kiss the body jar. All right,
I don't know,
you're
bro.
still my
Yeah,
friend.
boy, no,
You're still my
no,
friend.
the body jar, the left cheek or the right cheek,
I
not
see
you go
a
kiss.
part.
Yeah, now you go between, but
No,
I
but
mean,
remember say you have man out there lick
bro,
up body in
Lord
her.
yeah,
have
all them they
mercy.
sitting there.
Yeah,
But what me
that
I
they
say,
gone too
the
extreme,
body
they know.
jar, yo, nothing wrong with the body
No,
jar.
if you man just be
Yo,
and
me
you
a-
know use the toilet, you can kiss the body jar.
Brother.
Cause sometimes
But why you go wait till you man use the toilet?
no.
Eh? Why you go wait till you man use the toilet?
Listen, bro.
That was a big man thing. Me think you kiss the body jar
No,
already.
me
No,
not kiss
but
the
you
body
know
jar.
too much about the body jar.
You don't kiss the body jar.
No,
Listen
no
up.
wrong. Are your wife? You know,
Listen
Are your
up.
wife, bro?
Are your
Are your
wife?
wife?
I should be it before you kiss.
Guys,
You kiss
yeah.
it.
Mr. Guys,
Yo, no.
be a passa. Listen what I said, bro. Listen what I said. Listen, you see,
Come on, where we
sometimes a woman, say if you man just be and put a show and well lotion.
Nothing wrong if you kiss the body
No,
jar.
nothing wrong if you kiss the body jar.
Or that me I
Body
say,
jar.
nothing wrong if
No,
you
me
kiss the
not
body jar.
Listen to man.
Why you
Nothing
not
wrong,
kiss the
brother.
body jar? Your wife.
Listen,
Are your wife?
No, listen what me I say.
She
man.
turn around and you look good and you slap her
No,
and you
listen,
say, yo,
listen,
baby,
bro.
mwah.
Me
Yeah.
You
always
kiss
kiss
for the
it,
body
me always
jar.
kiss it hip. Me tell her, me not afraid of it.
So what about between?
Yeah.
You know?
Me kiss your son.
Yeah.
But listen now, bro. Just like what me say. Listen now. Just like what me say. Me not have no shame in my game. Me a big man. Me almost 50. So you left me hanging.
So Natalie,
We don't
this
know.
boy kiss the body jar. And
Me
you
kiss
not
the
talk.
body.
It's a body
I'm
jar.
not-
And watch out now. Watch out now. Una say
And
me
you're not
Listen,
physical.
una say me
No,
kiss.
You're not
Una say
physical.
me kiss
All
but
right, brother.
at this man we are talking about.
Nothing wrong with it. Next question we're gonna ask.
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
How often per month do you think a couple should have sex?
I gotta be real to you, it should be often, but me a slack in that area there, but life, but me for the whole month.
Yeah, like in a month
Yeah,
or
in
per
a month.
week. Per week.
All right,
per
me I
month.
say per week, 3 times a week.
That's short, man. That little
Shot?
Yeah.
No, man, you have to remember, so we're working people and we
No,
have kids,
so the
especially
yeah,
for me.
man.
One
Me
thing
have
quickie.
2 kids.
That's what I'm saying.
My
Can't
son,
bust a
if you
quickie.
give me one all out, me no want no boom bang.
No, man.
No,
3
no,
times
no.
to the week. So
Alright.
3
3
times, hold
times
on. So 3 times to the week.
Yeah.
We will look on that about 12. 4 3 is 12.
Yep.
12 times for the month.
Yeah, that's...
All right, so we'll go
I
up
will
on the
leave that,
street.
you know.
We'll go up on the street and we ask the question. People will soon play the video where we go up on the street.
Yeah.
I will ask the question, how long you think sex should last in the bedroom and how often per month you think a couple should have sex.
What they
You're
say?
frightened for hear what the woman then say.
What they say?
You're someone here.
That's so here.
You're going to know.
Say, come here, slap.
Yeah.
Well, yo, how much time per month you think you should have sex, brother?
If I can squeeze in every night, I try, you know.
Oh, cut. No,
Brother,
sir.
brother, what we say?
No, sir.
Every
No,
night,
sir.
Listen up.
Brother,
Let's be
Yeah,
realistic.
listen to me.
People work and
Listen
people
up.
tired.
You sound
What
like
kind
my
of every
woman. Watch out
night?
now. You sound
No,
like my...
man, it ain't.
Natalie, you sound like my woman. So many
That's
times,
not much.
so many times I touch you, man, I say, me tired, man.
But yeah.
It's 2 hour work.
It's 2 hour work.
Too.
How you
So
mean?
then lie
Oh,
down
my
and
body.
relax.
No,
Listen,
listen,
Natalie.
just all you have to do is just cock up yourself. I live up on our foot, so don't do nothing no more.
No, that's not too
Natalie,
much. It's
don't
wrong.
do nothing. Just lay by your side.
Yeah.
That's it.
But-
Me no want you to do
Just go
nothing.
up on your side and cock up on your
Yeah,
foot, so.
nothing
Who
else.
want
Yeah,
do
I
that?
scoot
Me
out.
want
I
foot.
scoot
Who
out your
want
body.
do
You see,
that?
listen now. Listen.
want do
You
that?
see, if you're tired, too tired, if you keep your foot up, me wally.
Yeah.
Jeez, the sex nice and all, you know, cause me not lie to you, you know, more mind have more sex with my husband,
Yeah.
but at the same time I work and then I come home to my 2 daughters. Them, it's impossible
Me
for
have
me
2
to
daughters
have
too.
sex every single night. Me tired
Everyday sex thing. Why you think that too much for do? That
because physically my body can't manage.
And sometimes I know your
Hey.
body, sometimes your brain, you know.
And that
No,
makes sense.
seriously.
But then again, I know your body and manager just the front. And we
Jeez.
just want
so
the front
the
to
front
manage.
That's
the
all we
inner
want.
connect. Eh?
Wow.
Oh, look at her.
Shut
It's
off your mind.
all working
No,
shut off
all
your
you have to do
mind.
is tell your mind, say, yo,
Yeah.
get wet.
Just
I just, that alone you have to do, you have
get
too much
wet.
work, you know.
Shut off your mind.
If you're not in a mindset of sex,
That's
you're not
it.
going to enjoy it because you're not going to get as wet and
So,
excited
let me teach
as
you.
you
You ever
would.
lay down in your bed yet? You ever lay down in your bed yet?
Me hear what you say.
And your husband a play with it, and you just play like you asleep and now move.
Yeah.
You want that me get to
Ozzy, yeah. Ozzy, you hear that?
Because I'm a lover. But that's
Listen,
true.
the amount of time me get that. Me
Listen.
play with nipple, me play with front, me play, dog, me play.
And he still just lay down,
And listen,
some, and then he switch over some.
And then you put in a fake snort.
Yeah.
And fix your body good
Listen.
like.
Keep it
Yo, let me ask you, hold on, let me ask you a question. You ever vex over pum pum?
What?
But one have vex for
Watch
few
out.
one. You
Oh,
don't
look at
forget it that night.
No,
We
listen
have
now.
vex for
No.
few
Remember
one.
nights.
You have your-
Remember
you
days
have
when me
a
a go
wife.
to work.
You have a wife in pum pum, for your pum pum.
Jeez,
Watch
we.
out, remember days me a go to work, you see?
Mm-hmm.
And 2 hours, me have my mind pan getting like a pum pum. Me no get no sleep.
What?
What me say? Listen up,
Stress out.
bro. You see that morning when we wake up, me really sister me no get in the front time, me no sleep, me mad. I say, bro. I say,
No,
yo.
sir.
Yo, you gotta work.
You see me, I feel you
Because-
one night. Me a play
serious.
with nipple. Me a rub a place them when me know say turn you on. And you no budge. You go on like say I'm dead, you're dead.
Yeah.
Bro, me I say, yo.
Bro,
This
that-
serious.
Natalie, that
It's
happened to me.
serious.
Now when me go work, me pissed off, man.
Me
Me
never
mad for
know say so
everybody.
it's
A
serious.
big man
Alien.
thing, man.
Why not?
Listen, me say.
Me never know say
whole
so it's
night,
serious.
yo, your husband will have your feet, you know.
Yeah. That, the look of front, the pum pum, and everything to it.
Eh?
You hear me say? We carry feelings, feet, and everything, but it's because we pretend like we understand. We not understand, you know.
So hold on there, so hold on
We
there.
only pretend
So-
because we want to accommodate, you know, but if we can do it every night, we want it every night.
No,
Listen,
sir.
I could have a 5 minutes. But
5
listen,
minutes,
you see,
anything.
Hey, you know what my woman used to tell me, say, Naz? My woman used to tell me, say, I'm tired. Bro.
Yo, you hear that? And make sure they hear
Listen to
that.
that, bro. Listen to
Wifey, you hear?
Listen to.
Mm-hmm.
Me and her have one little follow one time and I say, yo, every that you tell boy, be tired. Dog, you know, tell me that again. Me say, turn to his side and cock up one foot.
Hold on there. So,
We good.
hold on there. So, brother, you
Yeah.
have up the one for your front
Yes.
to the point where when you not have argument, it come up.
Listen, you see.
No, you're serious, man.
No, let me tell you this.
Pum feelings
That's
you carry.
what you mean. I watch her. You know.
No,
You know.
sir.
I watch her. You know. Enough man go road go.
What? Tell me.
Because guess what? You see when him a try get little in yard and he not get it, make one girl out the road and go so. I show him and I say, yo, you know want this? He gone feed, because guess what? You're too tired to give him. You see, if you
So what you
pray,
say the remedy for I just get up all the
just
time.
cock up
Anytime.
one foot in
It
her
can
ear
be,
and touch
yeah,
sideways.
it can be some cooking off, it be not
I
long.
tell me, I tell you.
One little 3 minutes.
I tell me, I
You know
tell
what I'm
you.
saying? Sometimes if we just come, that's it. We just want to come.
Man just want to come.
But we don't want to go out the road. We want our wife and our woman where we live with a yard. Just make we come. That's all we want is a come.
Watch out
You know
now.
what I'm saying? And we feel good. Before we even say that, you know the benefits of sex? Me have it. Let me
Yes,
tell you.
stress.
It boosts your immune system.
Box
It reduces
Big
stress.
research going on, say
It improves sleep. Me I wonder why me not get no sleep, brother.
Yo, no, get up front.
Wifey, you have to change your routine. What you say?
It improves sleep, pain relief,
That's true.
How will you not say?
pain relief.
And you know age fast when you have sex now.
All right, it moves.
Yeah.
Hold on.
No,
You
sir.
have it boosts your mood.
Yeah, me know about the mood.
All
so
right.
me know that.
It burns calorie.
How
So
will you
if you're
not?
fat and you want to lose some weight,
Oh, me want to lose weight.
take more body for your husband if you want, or your man. If you want to lose
Why?
weight, cock up it. It says here it burns calorie. The next one, it increase intimacy between you and your
That's
partner.
true. Me
All
definitely
right.
know
So-
that the stress, cause sometimes me not lie, you see when beat the woman them bad. Sometimes you wall out too,
You ever wall out?
Sometimes you wall out because
Natalie.
me not lie. My husband wall out for me before.
Listen.
And me tell him me irritated. Me go work my mad. The least little thing you said to me dey on edge. Because guess what? Me know him tired.
I'm strong
Because
because
him at work, plus him come home and fix car, plus him a deal with the pitting them. So I'm tired and him have to wake up early.
I'm strong because me I try wall out already, you know. I mean I tell you this. I want look me get. I want look touch up. So,
No, you see me? The difference, if I say no,
brother, me
move
can't
all
wall
the
out.
time,
What kind of wall out? Me can't wall
Me
out.
not look for you.
No matter how
If
me
you ask,
vex.
and you say no, or you say me tired, me not ask because me
No,
say
look
no
at
my
that.
mind.
No man can't wall out.
No, watch this now. You see when me tired, like when me tired, my can't work, you know.
It can't work.
None at all. When me tired, my dead.
No, sir. That one work
No,
24/7.
bro, me, listen now.
You not talk about the woman, them
Listen
have
up.
phone time too.
But listen now. It that different. The can't get wet. The front can't get wet. You get me, I say, bro? So you see when
Yeah.
it's stiff.
Mm.
Just think about something make it front wet.
Be-
You get me, I say?
Oh!
Simple. But look here, you see when a
I
man
know
tired.
straight go.
You see when a man tired. Cause me hear woman talk about, oh, kick your turn up. You see when a man tired. You see, yes, sir?
It not function
It
with this
not
stuff.
gonna make you work, you know. Me tired already, you know. And me want the front, you know. But the brain, nah, calibrate. The brain nah work with the key. Listen up.
So Mr. Man failure.
Listen up. Yeah, I'm going to the bathroom and I go so. And I beat her and I say, yo, what go on? Break, dog.
Mr.
watch
Man failure. Dog.
Simple. Me get a few minutes of sleep. When we wake up, it so.
Yeah.
Listen, when you're tired, you know what?
When me tired, me kick you out, brother.
So it's same thing.
Tell me,
Put
tell her.
yourself in the woman's shoes. At the same exact
pum-pum no
thing.
work?
The pum not get wet.
You can't tell me that.
It not gonna get wet and moist and
No,
then
but
you're
you
gonna
see
say,
different. You see
No,
different. You see difference with man and woman.
Oh, because we have one hole and we have one stick.
No, look at
Oh, that's a one that go ahead.
Hey, woman always have some baby oil or some lube or some sitting.
But what if you
So
don't
what's that
want? It's a different feeling when you use lube, you know.
Me don't know. Me
Me
never
never
use
use
Exactly.
it.
It is.
So-
So that's what I'm saying. So a woman would rather to naturally be wet. As me said, natural wetness is better than for you to
That's
use
true.
lube and all of them something they feel different.
That's
As I
true.
said, the brain and the private part, it connected. It's
Bro.
one. I mean, I tell you, if up your son alright, your son now go
That's true, man.
perform.
That's true.
How
So
you
that
know
you never
this?
am to you.
Johnny boy never fail
You
you.
can't tell me say you
Never
never go
fail.
Allah, you won't tell.
You
Allah,
never
you
go
won't
for
tell.
work. You never go
Yeah.
for work yet.
Yo,
Allah.
but call me man right now.
Nobody call you
Oh,
woman. Put
I
down
ask
the
her.
phone.
I'll say, yo, Cocky ever feel?
You
She gonna do a resounding no, never.
Alright, it might not
Never
She
fail.
not
Watch
go
out,
load
watch
you.
out.
Always up
Listen,
already.
I know Yana did always there, you know.
Me know.
So probably feel with somebody already.
Oh, well.
well.
Let me think about it.
Nobody think hard,
Never
man.
fail.
It happen.
Somebody have a comment on this. I say, boy, you dead.
No,
Speak the
brother.
Bro,
It's
look
true.
at me.
What?
Belly flat, chest.
Master,
Listen up.
I know exercise.
Let me go
I
on
want to do
drama.
them
Make you
thing,
know one drama.
Mm-hmm.
So one time, long time ago,
Hey.
long
Yeah.
time ago, me link with one girl, see?
Mm-hmm.
So the girl say, yo, forward. So me I go somewhere with the girl.
Zin.
So it's like the entire day Cathy they have a car. So Cathy see our man drive past and say to me, say, I'm a man that you know?
So in a car.
Me and a girl car.
Mm-hmm.
Dog, the thief so you know.
Drop
Already.
right
I go.
down.
And when the Cathy says, see me man there now.
Bloof.
He just go so. And when me reach where me I go, he would have never budge.
Exactly.
Cause guess what? In my head, pussy man turn back and come.
I'll come back.
Are your life you put
He's
in
a
jeopardy?
dead man, you
Yeah, he's a dead man for what? For little
Feel like a
crutches.
catches. Yeah, listen.
It's not worth it.
You see your brain and your and they work. They work hand in hand.
But mine no stay so, bro. So me I want them.
Fear
So
one,
you-
fear one chip.
Listen, watch out.
Listen, bro.
Fear
Me I
one
tell you.
chip.
Listen what me I say. Natalie.
Yeah, man, tell me.
My brain and my work two different way. My brain I think about Jesus, how me dear go me I say, yo, he want pum pum, that's all.
Hey.
No,
Serious?
sometimes, watch out.
Listen,
Sometimes that happen to me
It's
too, you know.
true. It's
Sometimes
true.
that happen to me, but you see when me tired. You see me tired.
It's true.
It feel you.
You know, turn up. Me can't tell. Me not. Hey, me can't look in the camera and say this. When me tired,
Would not work.
my is dead.
It feel, my brother. Feel, my brother.
Listen
But
up.
it's okay. Because when you get some sleep.
Bro, listen up. Listen
Yo.
up. Me can't tell her this for a fact.
Mm-hmm.
When me rest my work properly. Me no business when nobody wants it.
Bro.
Yo,
But it alright.
Bro,
I need you, uncle.
I'm not trying to show up for anything or boast.
I'm sure of you. I'm sure
No,
of
me
you.
not telling lie.
Man,
Me
you
not lie. Brother, me
rest,
say me not lie,
rest
bro.
now in our
Listen me.
parties.
Bro, at that time,
Right
work.
now, you call blue pill then. You can't tell me nothing.
At that time, I cock work. Because,
lie and tell, but
this
it's
when
not
you
a go away.
exercise is that, yo, for the people that will exercise, ask them. I
Nas,
tell you.
when
bro,
last you exercise?
Even
Nas,
every
when last you exercise?
Bro, ask me,
When
man.
last you run?
Me get up and run a morning
When?
time,
When
bro.
last?
Day before
Can
yesterday.
you make the people see your belly? Turn up.
Yo, look on my
Tuck in
belly.
your belly,
Look
dog.
on my belly.
Aye, man, you kill yourself.
Look on my
Breathe.
belly. Look on me. Brother,
Breathe easy, man.
listen me. Listen me. You don't have nothing to
Breathe.
do. You don't have nothing to do
Yeah,
with
watch out, yeah.
Listen,
Bro, come on, man.
No, I don't joke me, mate, bro. I don't joke me, mate.
But
I
honestly,
seriously.
let's be real though, exercise does play a big part
Alright.
Yeah, true
in your
that.
health,
Alright.
overall health.
All right.
True.
And if you're overall healthy, then your body will function at the top.
All
You know,
right.
give you the maximum. But me
Natalie.
now go agree say
Natalie,
you're
listen,
Johnny
let me
boy
tell you
never
this.
feel
Hold on,
you
let me
yet.
tell you
But
this.
go on.
Alright, wait
You
there.
know how long me I exercise?
Mm-hmm.
Me I exercise from me join the military 2015.
Yeah.
And
A
me
long
never
time
stop.
that.
How long is that? Over 10 years.
So, yes, you never stop.
Never stop.
Me and you there at Jamaica,
Ask.
you exercise?
4 days?
Me say me and you there at Jamaica, you
No,
exercise?
because we're busy.
Eh?
We're busy,
You're
bro.
not too busy. You're
Hold on,
too
busy.
You
Yeah,
can't get up and
exercise
go
by
around.
your mind. Mind
Can't tell me about exercise.
No, ask G dad.
Yo,
On a
no,
joke,
no,
man.
my brother,
On a
I
joke,
exercise
man.
that I buy.
Me say me start
Yeah, me not
from
listen to you.
2015, me never stop up until today.
Me
Me
say
might
if you
me might
exercise
skip
when
a
you
few
there at Jamaica.
days because me go to Jamaica, me enjoy myself,
Happiness,
bro.
man.
But may I tell you,
Let me
when you
ask you.
exercise, go research that. Oh, you
Alright, let me
improve
see.
your libido. You know what?
Me not feel you up, you know, but more and see if you have the exercise
Look on that.
every day. You know,
Look,
if you
people.
it up, you know, just let me
Bro.
see it.
Bro,
Hi,
bro, bro,
Look.
bro, that,
Firm.
if you do 10
Me a
push-up
tell
right now
you.
in boss.
Mm-mm.
Me a
Oh
tell you that.
gosh.
Me nah
If
go
you
there
do
with
10
you.
push-up now in
Oh
boss.
gosh.
Me nah go there with you.
But watch this now. Question.
Yeah.
You have some woman seen,
Mm-hmm.
like for instance, if a man I go too long in a feed them head, them vagina or them no good.
Dry up. Mm-hmm.
No, even if you not dry, if a man does in a mood for us and just a go on in a woman head, why you so long? Like why women think that we are there?
That's a good question, you know. You know, a lot of women, you know, because society put a lot of stuff in our head. So unconsciously, we have some things in our head for say, we have to look a certain way, we have to dress a certain way. Society say, if you're something tight, in a 2 minutes, the man for come. So as a woman, you're trying to stay within the norms of society. So when you see your man go 30
minutes or more.
35 minutes, I said, but hold on there.
Why
I try quinty. I said,
Why
I'm
not
so
come?
oh, I'm not come yet. Something slack. Something I go on with it. No, but actually, you know, it's like peer pressure. You know, we conform by the norms of society. But I don't say it go, and I say you something slack or nothing. The man just in the mood. And some man can hold themselves so them not ejaculate.
Turn to your camera.
Some my girl not feel no way and talk about you something big. My girl, enjoy yourself and enjoy your man. Let me tell you, some man know how to compose themselves so them not come so them can enjoy.
Sometimes a man
so
just
enjoy yourself.
Yeah,
and him in the
mood and just enjoy it. And they don't want to come.
And don't be conformed by society norm. I talk about big this and big that. You're something not big. Take care of something.
So
no, use it too much still.
Can it be big? Can it, in actual real life, can it be too big?
I would think so, because just like how you have some man penis small.
So you think it can be?
I think so. I think if you're full of mileage. What God deal? All right, look on this. You go one car dealership to buy one car.
Yeah.
And the car have 300,000 miles on it. Yeah, right? No, seriously, people. Talk the truth.
No, never tell the truth. You say, if a Jamaica, I'm going to buy. Because Jamaica don't go off a mileage.
That's not what Jamaica.
If you have a good mechanic, you can run good.
Yes, but it now go give the top. It now give the top performance. Yes, it might look good outside, but you know it's gonna lack certain things. The grip and the glamity.
Sometimes you have car do mileage, we run good see how we are now.
So like he's very experienced with the big one.
No, sometimes
love dropping a whop.
I'm just saying. Sometimes you get a one car away. You know what? He probably want one tire, or he probably want one seat.
We're not talking about the tire do it's not cut you off, brother. But no, we're not talking about tires. Tire and them something they're superficial, easy fix.
Yeah.
Just like a girl, you can take her from the country and fix her up. Yeah, you see some woman sometimes I brush them one brush off.
You know, brush off, man. True.
Some woman look, atrocious. But when you see them, when you take them, spend time with them and brush them off, rotted wall. Nobody can.
The word that we use a while ago, how we mean?
So I couldn't even call it good. Yeah. No, but seriously.
I always hear say the woman. That's why I ask if it can be big for real. You know what I said? I not diss no woman or anything.
It can.
You understand what I say? Yeah. Because I know say the vagina, right?
It
can
stretch.
Expand.
It's a muscle.
Yes.
It's a muscle.
And it push out a kid, the head and everything. So it expand and then it come right back. But well, I know. But does it really come back to where it was its former glory?
That's a good question.
Or it's still kind of, you know what I say, look loose and stretchy.
All right, so I asked that question. I have 2 daughters. I never push any out because I couldn't. So I have two C-section, right? I was talking to one of my friends. We were just talking, man to woman talk and so forth. And he has 3 kids. And we start talking about the vagina. I don't know how we get this, but we are talking about, relationship and how to improve it and certain things because relationship fail. So then we start talking about the vagina. So I said, I'm curious. This is what me said to my friend, I said, when women push out those baby, does the vagina go back to how it felt?
It's former glory.
You know what him said to me? Him said, not. You're going to be real with you.
Say no, go back.
I'm not say it not good, but it's not the same. It's still good when him want it, but it don't. There is a difference.
No, I watch you say, you know why it can't be the same. Majority of the time, women that have kids, their vagina get torn.
Yeah.
Zane, and even if them stitch it, it now go stitch back to the point where it can't stitch to go to that exact
That's true too.
point.
I don't know about that still.
You get me? I say,
you know.
It makes sense.
Bro,
you know.
me work in a dental field. Even if your
teeth have nothing to do.
No, listen, a flesh.
teeth have to be.
I still flesh.
That's true.
Okay,
That's true.
okay.
You can't, even if you're stitchy, fi say, yo, you try to catch it to it exact.
It never gonna be the same. That's not true.
We want a gynecologist comment. Any gynecologist will watch.
But yeah, me I
The
say.
amount of pum pum where you see you must have.
Me
So
feel
Don't
yeah,
get
just
me wrong, you know.
left a comment.
I'm not gonna say
Me
the
feel
pum pum
like-
get bigger and so forth. However, based on my conversation with my brethren, him tell me say it's not the same, but it good.
Me feel
Him
like,
said there is a difference. Him can feel the difference.
well, a tree pitney come out of female man vagina, so. But what is
No,
not?
but look
So
how much
what you
people
man them will
we
have
have
like
6 and
13,
7.
14.
My mother have 7.
My mother have 7 too.
So what about that?
And she have the
What
No,
you
me
say?
can't ask her.
A pum pum just flabber out and just walk on a
hear me I
flap.
say? You see some women that give them time. They
And
give them
that
themselves
yeah.
time
To
to
heal.
their vagina heal.
That's true.
So, you see, even if you go back to which party you used to there, to all them well on then can't wait. And some of them women, even if they have them man, they have some that dildo. Bigger than your hand. Me don't feel ask that question. Yeah. Question.
We don't have that love, so we don't know, but God.
Question. Since we depend on that topic, yeah. You believe in a sex toys?
No,
You know when I rose?
no.
Me don't
Never.
believe- Yeah.
Let me tell you
No,
something.
No vibrator?
No vibrator and none of that. Cause my man, him good like that.
Alright, let me say something now.
Oh,
Him
see, you hear
good,
that?
him good like that.
Since
so
we-
I don't
since we
want
there, so
none
see-
of them something there.
Since we're there, so I've heard people discuss like a woman will use a rose or a vibrator,
A man can never please
a
them.
man can never please
true.
them. And you know why? You see where the rose, when the rose a vibrate, and I do all of
Oh,
them.
brother know this. But what?
So you never see, you never see, you never see.
Listen, go on.
Listen.
Listen.
Me not have a rose and a
So
vibrator.
it sound like you're well experienced.
No, but you see it, bro.
No,
you
me
see
not see
it.
nothing. Come
All right, let me say what
My
me say.
wife not have not
My
tie.
wife now I'm not tired either.
So you know.
Oh, you know.
Bro, you say you never see, you never
Yeah,
see
me say
people.
me never see.
I watch
You see
this.
it in a porn.
No, listen. Me used to do live at night time. See?
Okay.
Me used to do live at night time.
And the woman then come talk.
Listen, man, me used to have a whole heap of woman for me live.
Mm-hmm.
One time, one girl come for me live. We buy her a rose. Whip on the live, buy her a rose. And the girl use the rose every chance she get. Me and the girl they on live and the girl have the rose. Bro, listen up. Listen what me I say. To all the rose.
Burn out.
The rose burn up.
No, big man
You see,
thing.
to vibrate. A man can't vibrate like
It
a
can
rose.
never. So, at
I'm
our
not-
previous job, we now
Tell
talk
her, tell
about
her.
our work still. But there was this young lady there. She said she's so addictive to the rose that every day she have to use the rose. Even if it means for coming at the parking lot, I use it. She have to
Listen
use
up,
it.
I don't
She
joke.
said the rose do things when no man ever
can
make
do-
she feel.
okay.
So then that means that she will get addicted to it
She
then
is.
because
That's why no one can't find a man.
you can't find
Nah,
out.
nah,
Because
say,
the man
ladies,
can't go in a
If
place.
you love
a man-
your rose, you love your rose. Me nah
listen,
diss it,
a
but
man
me
can
just a
never-
talk from the experience where, you know, the conversation with me here.
Me see some girl with some they are trying to figure out how it look. It look like you're Anya so. Plus you have one next part here so.
And what that they know?
Listen, me see some girl with some sitting brother. Me know say if she a take that, man like me and you can't please him.
No, but
foot.
no.
Use the
But
foot.
why? I would like to talk to a woman that have experience with these toys. Why these women are trying to get the toy them bigger and
I'm
bigger?
bigger, that's that me
Why?
talk about.
Me don't
Because the bigger it
understand.
is, the more pleasure them get from
What
it.
kind of
But
pleasure
why
you can get from that?
Yeah, first
Some
they
people
start
weird,
off
you
with
know,
Which man can
But
please
yo,
a woman
remember.
where you take some sitting where big
Yeah,
so.
but some people
and then they
weird,
want
bro.
second down.
Some people weird. Them take all one big old a foot, cow foot so.
Yeah.
I go
I'll
up there. You know me I
buckle.
say, yeah,
I'll buckle
buckle and
people.
all these
Bro.
things, bro. Someone weird.
True, but me just want to know why.
Ask them.
Yeah,
Is it
woman,
a
you want to know
fetish?
why. We want to know
Is
why.
it
We
a
wanna know
fetish? Like them feel like the bigger, maybe it's psychological. I think it is. Because I know the big penis thing, I wear the penis it.
Ah, you know the little ball there? You ever know dog?
Boy.
And you catch a little ball there, so you just play with it so.
What kind of ball?
The gritty ball.
Which
That's what we call it. You never hit the dog. And you catch it.
Gritty ball,
Eh?
you can't be the door.
You never, your husband
Bro.
never catch a gritty ball, you time just play with it so. Just a jukey. Yo, you never feel the gritty ball?
Brother,
Me
brother,
feel
know
it,
if
the
a ball
groove them,
and a
the
groove.
groove.
No,
But what
listen,
kind of
listen,
gritty
listen.
ball? He have
Listen.
some groove.
No,
Yeah,
no,
but
no, listen,
some
listen,
ball
You know me I
is
say
there.
when they
Listen,
use
man.
your fingers, but
you
gritty ball?
you ever put your finger in the dog and you feel one.
Yeah, but
Some
not
grit.
a ball.
But me not
Listen,
feel the
a
ball.
not a
ball
ball.
with them, man. Listen.
Yo, me have to go test it when we go up,
Listen.
cause
The ask husband about the gritty ball. Bro, you see when me read, you see,
No, people,
you
they
see
see
gritty
it
ball,
all.
watch out, you see gritty ball. It coming like it can move, you know, bro. So you see when you're in there, you have to search feet, bro. You have to search for. You see, anytime you find it, remember me tell you, the woman there go piss up himself.
The G spot.
Listen,
so
man.
that the squirting one.
You see when
When
you
you find
see when
the
you
gritty
find you
ball.
see when you find the little ball there, so and you start play with it, you're in it.
Yeah,
You're in it.
they just start shoot water.
Bro.
Water just start shoot like a pipe.
Hey, me love
Yo.
when me find it,
Bro.
me no
That's
move.
what I say.
Me no move, me stay in one position and just me a vibrate like it. You vibrate like how they time vibrate.
Podcast is gonna be too long. People, yo, we have to have a part 2 for this because Jaja,
I tell me,
we're not going done today and for this. You see me? Anyway, I know we don't play the video for the people them see it, you know, bro.
no, but you go play a video.
That one they know, you know, no one they look for you, Mataki.
Well, listen, if my man come home and he come in at 2 minutes, I'm okay. I'm not going to kill him. Because at 2 minutes he can't go, so I'm okay. So what am I going to do then? Exactly.
We-
If he come and at 2 minutes he can go for, it is okay with me. Because at 2 minutes he can go for, what me I going to do? I'm not going to walk a road and scandal him and say, okay, my man come for me. No, I'm not going to do that. Is what you can do. Worse, if you have 2-inch body or any little thing, and you just have 2-inch body. You just saw a thing come down. If you have little, and everybody blessed in them way, then everybody can work themselves in that way. But if you have your partner, and if a 2 minutes, you want to come in at 2 minutes, and me alright.
And if a 2 inch,
And if a 2 inch, I do God give me, I have to work with it.
how much time a month you think a man and a woman to have sex?
So remember tell us something when it come down to 160. Me not gonna say no man if have no sex every day, no, cause me can't manage no sex every day. My front no build up for have no sex every day. But me I go try for pleasure my man and me I go try for please my man. But me not go come up north every day. How me for up north every day? Me not have that energy there. But I'm a man, so if he come and he say, if he want it, me I go give him. And if me tired, me I go say, me I go just up north and give him. Cause I'm a man. And if me not in a mood, me I go just up north and say take it. Cause at the end of the day, you know want your man to go road, cause you see girl them out the road, them a do some things out the road. You just a grow up your man, and me not gonna lie. One time me girl them out the road, them put it just a clap so, pie. Them ready. So everything what you have to do, you're ready. If a 2 inch you have, work within 2 inch. If a 2 minutes you can stay, you work within 2 minutes. And anything else come after a plus.
Alright, sir.
Yeah.
We're there on the street, rap and chat, Naz and Chicks Dan. Listen. Big up yourself. Alright, we in the street ask some questions. Seen?
No, did the question.
Alright. The man full of vibes already, brother.
Go on.
So, tell me, how long you feel sex should last when you have sex with a woman?
Alright, no, that's a tricky question still. I mean, all depends on the type of the female, you know. Because if a female, kinda, right?
Yeah.
Anytime count, it don't matter, you know.
Time no matter when
No,
if you're female, right?
as long as the female ready and active. But you have some girl, bro, you are depend on the female. You have some girl out there, them stretch. You understand? Stretch her. So, we are there all hours, man.
Yeah, hours.
Hours, man. I don't get that, man. Hours.
So how long you feel say you should last? How long you feel say you should last?
Maximum requirement. You can please that girl. As long as you do your thing right.
Yeah.
You understand? I don't know, a couple of minutes or 15 minutes, 20 minutes.
Alright,
Yeah.
sir.
You have to kill out yourself, man. For you put in the work, you know.
But if it stretch out,
Hours, man. Millions of hours, man. Days.
Depends on the energy, and the time, and the moment, and the vibration, and the connection. You understand?
Yeah.
Because I don't feel like time have nothing to do with it. Suppose you're a woman, well wanted, and it two want to come in at 1 minute. At least it two want to go enjoy. So I don't feel like no timing depends on sex, It depends on the moment, and the time, and the feelings, and the energy. You get me, I say?
That's a tricky one,
okay.
Tricky one because everybody's sex drive is different.
How long would you want your sex to last? I think long and hard. You come in like you're hard to please.
No. Like 15 minutes or
15 minutes?
yeah.
Oh, that not bad.
No long sex. No want nobody pressure me too long. And at the same time, you have to think on the partner that you're with. Some men will pop off quickly if them woman, so it's very tricky.
So if him pop off before, you're going to be disappointed?
You may go vex. Because majority of the time, they already put it in the fever and then they will go pop off left you.
Problem.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, mommy.
Well, I think it should last for about 30 minutes.
With foreplay or without foreplay? With foreplay?
Yes.
Okay. And you hear that?
Brother, it varies, because sometimes the vibe's not dead there. You understand what I'm saying? But, brother, you know, no set time. What does the vibes? Because sometimes the vibes, you can't go all an hour more. Good sex, you know, watch your clock, brother. Yeah. And you know, race to see who come first. Just enjoy yourself. There's not a good time. If the vibes are run on the two side, the thing can go on for an hour, you not even realize. Look at 2 minutes, man. You can't pressure the 2 minutes, man. Because my man no good. Yeah. And I'm not no good food. And that's what I'm going to say. And sometimes about some look at brother. The man might just look upon him and pop off and not even reach it. He not even touch it yet. So it's all the factors, brother. Right. You can't just put a time and say, boy, that car. You some look at boring man, you might box still and the vibes are there. You just pop off because you want to just call it a day. Sometimes I'll fake call the pop off too.
Roughly, man should last in bed at least 25, 30 minutes. Because you go 1 5 minutes for new man. They might come on road come talk, you know.
That's true.
They might come back here, so better you just please them and done. Make them run.
Make them run.
Yeah. Just like that. Make them ball.
Well, average still, half an hour, 25 minutes. The average. But sometimes you can shorter than that still. Depends on the situation.
What kind of situation?
We never say
What kind of situation?
Yeah, depends on the situation. It might last
Feel
shorter.
good,
Yeah,
because
there's sometimes urge and them things that can cause a feel, bust off people get me. But as I say, half an hour tops, half an hour I think a good time because you can change a lot of position now.
How much time a month you think at the right time for a couple have sex?
Well, my opinion still, if your health up to standard, me feel like I just period break, you man forget once you can manage. Do you understand? I just period break, then forget.
Yeah.
And a little time after a period. Well, after that, every day.
Every day. You hear that?
Me personally, if I was with somebody, but I'm single right now, but if I was with somebody, I would definitely want to have sex every day. It's nothing, even if we can't do it in the morning, we definitely should. That should be our nightcap. So definitely every day.
The month carry 4 weeks. So, 4 weeks we carry every day.
Maybe once or twice a week. Maybe. Listen, guys. Listen, the same way as you guys don't want us to treat you like machines and robots, down here gets sore. It's sore, honey. I need resting, rehealing, rejuvenating room. Okay? So if you're just in there every damn day, cramming and whamming, I don't have any time to heal. I'm walking around. I can't. It's just too much. Once or twice a week, very healthy. Maybe can slip in a quickie every now and then, but full out rounds once or twice a week.
As often as possible, you can do it for the week.
As often as possible.
You can do it for the week.
You should put a number on it.
If you put a number upon it for the week, you can have it all 2 times for the day, 4 times for the week. So you double up. Because the more a man releases, the more a man being strengthened and less stress occupy upon his body. So as often as the couple can go, it's best.
When you find the gritty bar, carry them to one next level of ecstasy. Carry them to one place where Uncle Jesus
gosh.
can carry them.
Gosh, you got too far, man.
Ladies, I do want to know about this gritty bar.
Yeah. The gritty ball. I want to know about
guys.
guys.
Let me hear Natalie. Where gritty ball? Is there a gritty ball?
Not that I know of. Me know
never
there's
feel it?
grooves. Sometimes when you quint it, the grooves them.
But what I know, when me experience with is when you insert your finger inside of the vagina.
Mm-hmm.
Me teach you something now.
Hey, edify me. Edify me. Yeah, man.
Big words, they edify.
Yes,
but when
sir.
you insert your finger up into the vagina, on the wall, which is the top section of the vagina, you have some kind of rough area.
The grits.
Gritty ball, bro.
That is where the sensation is at, right? So me don't know about the whole I know, but me don't know about the gritty ball.
So
you see that sensation now by playing with that sensation. You know what I'm saying? You can use a or you can use your finger. But when you do the foreplay, it best you get that woman in the mood.
Your hand.
And try to rub that
Bro,
area.
sometime.
No man, me not done. That area is gonna start to get the woman body down your side. Just moves a little bit first, and then it start move faster.
Stimulate.
Yeah.
And then it start get wet. You see, that is the G spot.
Yeah.
That is where you make the woman. The gritty ball is where you make the woman start flood like a pipe.
So now that better tell her, bro.
But
that's you call it gritty
that's you call it
ball.
gritty
Well,
ball.
listen, let me explain something.
Yeah.
It depends if
Listen
vagina wall up at top.
You see, when your finger set so, you know what I say?
So
your finger set so, and you go all the way back, you have to push your hand up in there, bro. And move. You see, when you move your finger so, you can move in a circle of
Why?
You can't move your finger in a circle of one side.
Bro,
Listen. Is a ball for real, bro?
Me no know about no ball, but go on talk.
My finger ain't long,
So you find the ball.
When me circle it, so my finger can go right round here. Tell me. You see when me flick out my finger, so it just flicky.
Mine are vagina fat to the point where the wall
I saw fat hang down.
Yeah, mine maybe.
I know one woman.
So everybody you find the gritty ball with?
No, not everybody.
So maybe some woman have gritty ball and some not have gritty ball.
No, man, every woman have gritty ball, man.
Listen me. So with this conversation, we go forever.
You have to find it. You see me?
We have to come to an
but
end.
But ask your husband. When you go
up,
ask him about the gritty ball.
I mean, I like to find the gritty ball.
Ladies, you drop a comment and tell me. If no man never tell you about the gritty ball. The gritty ball did it.
People,
Massa.
We have to come to an end of our podcast. It was nice chatting, bro.
Yeah, man.
About the gritty ball. Something where me go probably experiment to find.
Massa.
That gritty ball.
Me want my gritty ball fine.
But it was nice conversation, you see me?
Alright,
at the end of it, we do our cheers.
Yes.
To success.
Always to success. See it?
To success.
Always to success.
Success.
Yes,
and we drink.
Right, too.
And Natalie, I must thank you. Passing through.
No, man, Natalie, if you come back, man,
anytime,
man.
Anytime.
You know, appreciate the conversation.
Of course. Anytime.
Yeah, man.
All right.
It's a good look.
Remember to like, subscribe. You know what I say? Share it with a friend.
And tell a friend to tell a friend.
Do the right thing.
All right. Big up on yourself.
All right.
You see me?
And them attack what they want every day and then cocky little and then body soft. Who does that with a small dick? Come talk to me nice one now. Come talk to me. Your body, but Mr. Talk about some man still. They want to come over here so come talk about woman and talk about we. And then remember say God make you push out baby. And when you push out baby, our vagina just go out so and just come back so. Right in a farm. Brand new second hand and you know first hand. So when you bust out and walk in a stuff, that them can sweat up and get brand new second hand and we're ready again. Just up north, wash a pot, on it down and you're ready. Ready to cook. Yeah, talk about woman pussy. They got nobody little. And somehow don't care work on nobody good enough. They can't work them body good enough. They want to talk once about woman. And they don't know how to work them body. But yeah, some man have some little body and they can work their little body good enough. And little body sweet enough. And yeah, some man is some big good and they don't know how to work them big good. They just have one big good and just want to say ram. No. Can't so ram so mad. Romance sweet and not doing that. Yo, you see this? Yo. Nice. Remember me tell you. Oh, if you don't come to Jamaica. I want to come to Jamaica. Oh, you don't come to Salt River. Salt River place, man. Be your vibes, be your energy, good food. Good people. You get what I say?
Tell them, where don't you come?
You don't know, say, when you come to one place named Salt River, Clarendon, Spots B, Dalina, Seafood Restaurant and Bar. You get the nicest fish, you get the biggest fish, and remember we fish them fresh. We not talk about no zar fish. We are talking about fish straight out of the sea, fresh, nice fish. We don't have no spoiled fish, we have a good festival, bami, steamed fish, anything you want when you come to Dalina Seafood and Restaurant, you get it right here. Fish tea soup, boiled corn, chicken foot soup, and a whole variety of things. Nice ambiance, sit down, relax, enjoy yourself, and just have a nice time. Because you don't know, say, a Dalina Seafood Restaurant and Bar, Salt River, Clarendon is the place to be.
Woo! Yo, I'm here in Jamaica. I'm at Salt River. Every day I see you get up on social media and talk about fine. You don't have a passport. You don't have a green card. When you ever come back home, do this and beat me.